Rubin, can the British bases in Cyprus be rented out on behalf? The well-known American expert Rubin drops a bombshell about the fate of the British bases in Cyprus. After Keir Starmer's initial reluctance to support the SBA in the region due to the war, he himself talks about a case for renting out these bases on behalf of the United States Armed Forces. He also mentioned the withdrawal of the British from the Chagos Islands as an example. Rubin specifically says more than 65 years after Cyprus's independence, it's time for the British forces to leave. Shortly after midnight on Monday in March, an Iranian drone, possibly launched from Lebanon, struck the base at Akrotiri. The attack was unjustified. The British have not used Akrotiri or Dhekelia, which together make up the sovereign base areas of Akrotiri and Dhekelia, a British overseas territory that occupies 3% of Cypriot land. The British response to the attack shows that their continued presence in Cyprus is also unjustified. Prime Minister Keir Starmer's decision to withdraw his claims to the Chagos Islands, regardless of his motives. It raised questions due to the parallels between the British territory in the Indian Ocean and the sovereign bases in Cyprus. Akrotiri and Dhekelia should be sovereign territory of Cyprus alone, just as every grain of sand from Akrotiri Arnautis to Rizzocarpasso should be. If they want them Waipa, let them rent them first. Near Rubin. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.